Hello, today I want to show you how to crochet the invisible decrease. I have a rather large project here that was crocheted in the round, and as you can see I increased to get the round part, and this is going to be a rather large pumpkin when I am finished with it. But in the past I would always single crochet two together. Let me show you what I mean by that. So you insert your hook in the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert your hook in the second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all three. And that is how you crochet two together or decrease. But I like to show you how to crochet the invisible decrease. And here is how you do that. Each stitch has a V on top. Before we were going under both loops. Now we're only going to go through the outside loop. Now we will be inserting our hook through the outside loop only, then twirl your hook a little and catch the outside loop of the second stitch, yarn over, pull through both of those loops, now yarn over and make a single crochet. Let me show you that again. Let me get closer to the camera and get the camera to focus. There we go. So each stitch has two loops on top. That's called the V. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Normally, you would insert your hook underneath that V, going under both loops, pull up a loop, and do the same thing with the next stitch. Instead, we're going to go under the front or the outside loop. Now, go under the front loop or the outside loop of the second stitch. Ignore this loop for a moment. Yarn over, pull through two loops. You have two loops on the hook. Now yarn over and single crochet. Now, how about that? You just decreased by a stitch. All right, let's do this one more time. Let me show you the standard way again, is going under both loops, pulling up a loop, going under both loops, pulling up a loop, yarn over and pull through all three. That was the way I used to do it. Now, I go under the outside loop of the first stitch, go under the outside loop of the second stitch, yarn over, pull through those two loops. Now let's make a single crochet. Single crochet. There you go. That is how you do an invisible decrease. I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked this little tutorial, please like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on my side of the mountain more often. Bye.